Good morning, students. Today I want to tell you about QBasic. Clear the statements about QBasic. First statement is the go-to statement. How we can use the go-to statement? Clear. Go-to statement is used to move the control to the another location. For example, in the first statement, I am written here print hello. In the 20th statement, I am written here go to line number 40. Clear. Then in 30th statement, in 30th line number, after we have written here, I am written here print how are you. Clear. In the 40th statement, I am written here print welcome. So firstly it will print hello, then it will execute go to statement and then directly move to line number 40 and it will skip the line number 30. Clear. Now output will be hello and welcome only. Output will be hello and welcome. Executing program, see the output hello and welcome only. Clear. Now next statement are the control statements. Clear. First statement is the if statement. Clear. If statement is used to take decisions. If we want to take some decision, then we use if statement. For example, I have two variables here, a is equal to 5 suppose and b is equal to 4, and we want to compare these two variables. If a is greater than b, then what I want to print a is greater. Clear. And if. Clear. And end of the program. Now it will check whether a is greater or not. If a is greater, then it will print a is greater, otherwise it will print nothing. It will directly move to end. Clear. And if, and there is no statement after the and if. So see the output here, only it will print a is greater, but if the value of a is less and the value of b is greater than a, then it will print nothing. Clear. No output will be there because there is no statement. Clear. Whenever the condition is wrong. But I want that either if the statement is correct and either if the statement is wrong, we want to print something, then we use if then else statement. Then we using here else. Clear. I am writing here print b is greater. Clear. Now see the output. Clear. It will print b is greater. The condition is false and it will directly move to the else statement. Means if our condition is true, then the statement after the then statement will be executed, but if the condition is false, then the statement after the else will be executed. Clear this to all now? Clear. Now next is else if statements. More statements within if statements. Clear. Means if we have more than one conditions, then we use else statement. For example, first of all, I want to tell you about input statement. Input statement is used to give the input to any variable. Clear. Input day, I want to give the value to a day variable. Clear. Then a question mark will be coming on the screen. Clear. Now I check here, if day is equal to 1, then will be left to right. Then right here, if this is equal to 1, then Monday is there. Monday. Else if day is equal to 2, then Tuesday is there. Else if day is equal to 3, then print Wednesday. Else if day is equal to 4, then print THURS. Thursday. Clear. Else if day is equal to 5, then print Friday. Else if day is equal to 6, then print Saturday. Else if day is equal to 7, then print Sunday. Clear? If no condition will be matched, then else print wrong input. Clear this, and if is there. Some problem is there, I think, in this statement. There is no space between else and if. Clear this? Now execute this program. A question mark will be there because we are using the input statement there. Question mark will be there. If I enter 5, then it will print? It will print Friday. Clear? If I given here 1, but will it print? It will print Monday. Clear? But if I given here 9, then no day is there, then it will give wrong input. Clear this to all? Clear everyone? Clear? Now, this is in our topics. Thank you.